Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pikachu from Pokémon. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw a shape of Pikachu. Very quickly, I start with the head. I draw the eyes. Then the nose. I draw the mouth. Circle for the cheek. Ears. Excellent! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. For his mouth, I use 2 different shades of red. Red for the cheeks. Yellow. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.